Okay, motor car nut here. Today we're going to replace the air cleaner filter in a 2000. This is a sixth generation BMW 5 Series. It's 2010 to 2017. Okay, it's very simple to do. Take the air filter out. Is you loosen this clamp. Maybe you don't even have to loosen the clamp, but I'm taking other things off. So you could all you got to really do is just clip. There's a clip here and a clip there, and it's going to slide out. But I'm going to just take it off so you get an idea if you want to do it that way, but you probably don't have to. This clip from the mass airflow sensor comes out, and well, this doesn't. You could just loosen it like this. Like I said, I'm taking things out. So you just take this clamp off, okay, from here, and 1, 2, and 3, and see, even when it's hooked up, you can just slip it out if you want to. But I'm taking it off because, like I said, I'm doing other things, and that's it. And it's right here. Simple. Sometimes he likes it in here, and he wants to stay here. It really makes a nice tight seal, that's why. And it's always good to get a, oh, look at that. See? Look at that stuff in there. That's no good. That's why you gotta, even though you may look at it and go, wow, it looks brand new. Look at this. Look at inside each of those crevices. Look at everything that was in there. Okay? What you do is you get a vacuum cleaner, suck all that stuff out, clean it all out, put a fresh filter back in. I'm not putting that in. Put a fresh filter back in, and you just reverse the procedure. Very simple to do. All right, guys? Motor Car Nut. Please subscribe, hit the like button. Any questions, leave them below pertaining to the video, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you guys in the next video. Appreciate all you watching. Thank you.